This trading week is now over, so all that we have to do is review, reflect, and prepare for the next few weeks. If you hadn't already watched my videos, I had a catastrophic week this week, and it's nothing that hasn't happened before, but regardless. So how the week started was I requested a payout on Monday. I then obviously didn't trade on the Monday. I didn't trade on the Tuesday because I was waiting for the payout, and then I received the payout on Wednesday morning. On Wednesday afternoon, I was unfocused, I was undisciplined, and I was trying to fit in trading when I had stuff going on around it, which should have just told me or got me at least to not trade that day. But I blew six funded on Wednesday. Here comes Thursday or yesterday. I get another four combines and I lose them all in one day by getting edged by one tick. Price went straight to my take profit and reversed one tick away, which was unfortunate. I could have done a few things better, but that's naturally how I would trade the prop firms. So I don't really care that much. But I am going to learn from my mistake. And yeah, to be fair, for the last few months, since July, I've been so close to these payouts, and then I blow the accounts, and then I get my funding back and I get a payout. And then I blow the accounts, and then I get my funding back and I get a payout. And I get a payout. And I blow the accounts and I get a payout. And I blow the accounts and I blow the accounts. And I'm fed up with that cycle. Every single time that I've blown up in the past 4 months, it's from revenge trading, over trading, oversizing, whatever. But it's all the stem of just not being able to handle a loss. On one of my accounts that I got two payouts on, I had a green August. I did not have one single loss, not a single loss. And as soon as the loss came in in September, I handled it well, and I got back in profit after taking a payout, and then I blew it all in one day. And that was exactly what happened on Wednesday this week, and I'm not doing that. I'm not doing it. I'm fucking fed up of it. It is just a waste of time and a waste of potential money because after losing five accounts, I now have to pay for five more combines and I have to pay five more activation fees, which I don't want to do again. I'm going to do it again. I'm going to do what it takes to get to success. But yeah, I'm just going to review intraday what I did wrong and what I did right. So, firstly, jumping into today, obviously, this is pretty stupid, but I not stupid in it. I'm practicing my discipline, and by practicing my discipline, I'm hopping on paper trading. So I took three trades today. Basically, I'm acting like these are evaluations. I'm acting like they're evaluations. So I need to get 2 days of 1.5k profit, 3k to pass the account, and then it's just low risk from there because I'm on five accounts practically. So cool. I'd already won a trade yesterday. Trading down there. Okay, so there's already one day ticked off, and then number two ticked off. Got an entry like there. Take profit here at the one at 150 ticks. And yeah, easy trade, easy trade, easy trade. So that's practically the account passed allegedly. Cool. I see that we have equal highs resting here. And I'm like, okay, I'll just long. So I longed here with six contracts. I was aiming for Asia high, which was about above just there. And three cons off these equal highs. Three cons at the Asia high. So obviously I got stop break even, blah, 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 blah. Went short here. Stop, take profit like all the way down here or something. And yeah, that got stopped out as well. So regardless, this paper trading means jack shit. So yeah, but okay. Let me just dive into Wednesday quickly and how I actually flipping blew all of these accounts. So I practically top ticked the day unintentionally. Like I wasn't gonna hold throughout the whole day in it, but I practically top ticked the day. So diving into Wednesday, we just automatically run higher. And funnily enough, I wasn't at home on market open. So, wait, wait. Oh, yeah. I wasn't at home on at market open. So market just drops and then it climbs back up. And then I'm hopping on the charts around here. Not really that focused. I wasn't focused as a whole, but anyway, flipping. I see like we're holding some kind of SMT or whatever. We're in a daily range. We're in a daily gap. We've got bare liquidity here. Obviously, I wasn't targeting that, but I was just targeting like these lows. So I see that we've got I think it's called a rejection block or something. Literally just where price taps into a key level, whether it be liquidity or OTE of the range, like whatever, PD array, whatever. And I see that we start respecting it and we break 1 minute structure here. So as soon as we break 1 minute structure, I'm like, okay, so I want to see if we're going to respect this wick. Not even just the wick. Yeah, I want to see if we're going to respect the wick. So naturally, I hope that's not loud in the background. Flipping naturally, I just draw out the wick, whatever. We respect the wick. I enter like here, and I'm emotional. But I'm not emotional because I'm naturally emotional. I'm emotional because I'm unfocused. I don't have a clear mind. So I pull the trade at around here for about, I don't know, maybe like minus 300. Enter again here, aiming for this low. Bang, I get hit, break even after getting edged here. Okay, so at this point I was just fucking pissed. I was pissed. So then I just end up blowing them all. And it's like, if I could have just held my L, like, not even held it in that sense, like, obviously if I'm entering a trade up here and price like break structure to the downside or whatever, I should naturally move my stop loss to the most recent high where the trade's going to get invalidated. If I had have done that, would I have blown all of my accounts? Absolutely not. But shit happens, you got to learn with it, learn from it. What I learned from today, what I learned from Wednesday was something I already knew, and it is what it is, man. But you just gotta learn from that shit. And then flipping Thursday, fuck, man, that really pissed me off. That really pissed me off. So I'm not targeting. Wait. Obviously, if I was going short, I want to target this low, but I didn't. I went short, entered here after we broke 1 minute structure to the downside, and then we broke it again. I was like, okay, cool. I'm gonna get in the third leg. I'm gonna get in the second. So there's the first retracement leg, second retracement leg. I was gonna get in on the third retracement leg, and I got in, innit? I'm speaking like an idiot. Sorry, this is gonna be such a bad video, but I need to stay consistent. I need to get the video out. So, okay, wherever flipping 61 ticks is. I already know this is going to be such a bad video. I mean, if you watch to this point, then good on you. But, yeah. I hope you actually can't hear that in the background. It is, yeah. But anyway, flipping, I obviously enter, and there's so much volume in this candle specifically. Like, oh my god. Anyway, we wick up, and then we just plummet down, and it's like, yeah. So fucking lost the accounts there, and it is what it is, man. I'm confident in myself. I'm confident in my setup. I just need to get the risk approach right. Because especially going from one account to going to five, it's like in one account you're risking like quite a bit to get a bit of profit, and in the yeah, I'm waffling. Fucking hell. Anyway, that was probably a big waste of your time, but hey ho. I need the consistency, so flipping look forward to this week's vlog.